How to find saved reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find saved reels on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on saved option. And this will open all the content that you have saved on Instagram. Now here inside the save section, you can just tap on the all post tab or the specific collection where you have saved your reels, and there you can simply look for the Instagram separated videos, posts and reels. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.